What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about the Galaxy skin a little bit more. I did get mine finally, but there have been so many people who've not been able to get their Galaxy skin or unable to get their V-Bucks. There's so many people that are confused out there. So let's take a look at some of the comments on my previous video. Amanda Bob says, OMFG, thank you for this video. I'm currently watching this while I'm on hold. So pissed. It's Alpha Wolf says, dude, it says the same message for me. John Demand says, this is exactly what is happening to me. I got the skin though, 61 minutes on hold, and they told me they would send me an email, and they never did. Mohammed says, I'm having the same issue and they won't even help me. Lightcore Jet Plays Game says, I got the Galaxy skin but not the V-Bucks. One of my stream viewers from last night said that his father logged in on his Fortnite account, even though he doesn't really play Fortnite, he just must have logged in to give it a try. And then of course Epic gave his father's account the Galaxy skin instead of the son's account who actually plays Fortnite. So the son is not very happy right now. Retail stores are putting up signs saying we don't give you Fortnite skins by using our Note 9, so don't try. Because it's been so difficult and confusing for so many people to unlock the Galaxy skin, some people might be going so far as to say that this is a scam by Samsung to promote their Note 9. I don't think so. Personally, I'm gonna go over how I got my V-Bucks and Galaxy skin finally unlocked and the source of confusion that caused all of this chaos and maybe what Samsung can do in the future to prevent this from happening next time. Now, a tier 3 manager of Samsung's promotional team has reached out to me to make sure that the Galaxy skins and V-Bucks that I'm giving away will go to whoever wins them, so that's good. I'll have more details at the end of the video about how you can potentially win the V-Bucks and Galaxy skin. To quickly summarize my last video, when I signed up to try to get the Samsung promotional offer, it said that I was ineligible. I was live streaming this. I called Samsung support. They said it appears that the service is down because too many people are trying to use it right now, which was not accurate at all. Then I called them again the next day, spent an hour and 42 minutes on the phone talking to multiple different reps who also didn't really know what was going on, and eventually I was told you should receive an email sometime. Now, one of the biggest issues with communication is that Samsung makes it look like the Galaxy skin and V-Bucks are bundled together and delivered at the same time, which is absolutely not the case. The Galaxy skin is gifted to whatever account logs into a Note 9 or Tab S4 first and plays 3 games. Now, I got my Galaxy skin 2 days after logging in and playing my Fortnite games. If you bought your Note 9 through a third-party store like Best Buy or Fry's Electronics or Walmart or something, the 15,000 V-Bucks has to be delivered through the Samsung promotional app, which is the Samsung Shop app. Now, you've got to log into that app, you got to sign up through the process, fill out the registration forms and all of that. But for people who bought it off of Samsung.com, you are already pre-approved because you bought it from Samsung.com. It's already verified that you pre-ordered it. Samsung doesn't need you to fill out a secondary form. The problem here is that when you try to fill out the form, it says you're ineligible, which is totally the opposite of being pre-approved. Again, the communication here is just completely lacking. To redeem the 15,000 V-Bucks, I got an email from Samsung. I clicked that email. It said, congratulations, you've been approved. Then I clicked the sign up button, and then it opened a secondary window where it says, we're going to give the 15,000 V-Bucks to whatever Epic account is logged in. You click that button, and you get your 15,000 V-Bucks on the Epic account. Now, the issue here is that if you're logged into the wrong Epic account in your browser, for example, if you have multiple users, like you have multiple people playing on the same computer or system, you could give the V-Bucks to the wrong account. So make sure that you're logged into the correct account when you do this. So overall, this whole thing has just been a mess. You have multiple prizes, with one of the prizes having multiple avenues of redemption. Again, none of this is being communicated to the customers, let alone Samsung's premium support, which is absolutely ridiculous. What the heck, Samsung, are you doing? Let's hope Samsung does a better job doing promotional deals in the future, instead of just assigning the Galaxy skin to whatever account logs into the phone first, which again could be totally accidental, especially if there's nothing communicating that. There should at least be a confirmation that, yes, I want to receive the Galaxy skin on this account. Like, that should be a thing. Now, on yesterday's stream, I picked the second of 3 winners that I'll be giving the Galaxy skin and 15,000 V-Bucks to. I stream Fortnite almost every day. I'll be streaming other games too, but if you want to come by and say hi, hang out, and potentially win the 3rd Galaxy skin and V-Bucks I'll be giving away later this week. Now, the Tier 3 promotional manager has offered to make sure that these giveaways do go through without a hitch, switch. Anyway, what do you guys think about this whole promotional fiasco? I'm personally just blown away that Samsung did such a bad job communicating to their customers and to their own premium support. That's it for this video. I hope I see you guys in future videos and in live streams. We'll see you guys next time. Brandon out.